What is going on, everyone? Wayne Grayson here in Hutto, Texas. Welcome into Equipment World, where each week we give you new videos on the latest in construction equipment, work trucks, and pickup trucks. Today we are visiting with CLS Excavation at a job site that they have just gotten started on. They're actually stripping the grass off to get this site going. In today's video, we're going to be talking with CLS co-owner and president Clint Stevenson, and we're going to be focusing on his thoughts on the importance of owning used equipment, repairability, and a bunch of other stuff. So let's go ahead and let's talk to Clint.
My name's Clint Stevenson. I am president of CLS Excavation in Liberty Hill, Texas. My wife Amber and I are 50% owners each of the company. We offer commercial site prep. 95% of our work is just the horizontal. We pick and choose the utility jobs. We can do them, we typically don't. We started the business in 1996, moved down to Austin in the back of a dump truck. I'd been working for my dad since I guess I was 12. Amber and I were married, had been married for about a year. This is what I knew how to do, and so decided to start up my own deal, and we moved down here. With my experience running equipment and stuff like that with my dad, I understood how job sites worked and that sort of thing, and so early on I would drive around. You know, my wife had a geo tracker, and I would drive around in that and to job sites, and if I saw a pile of dirt, I would ask to haul it off, and if they told me no, we need material, then I'd drive to the next one and ask them if I could haul it off, and if they told me yeah, I can load myself, so I'd load myself and then try to get paid at both ends of it. I mean, I had to make it work, and so I just worked as hard as I could, tried to work as smart as I could. Like I say, I just kept morphing into, you know, trying to get it to where I quit working for the dump truck and the dump truck started working for me. You know, and at first the dump truck was having to pay for the backhoe, and then eventually the backhoe started paying for the dump truck. Our company is 100% owned, and we buy good quality used equipment. I like used for a number of reasons. One, I can afford it. Early on, interest was higher than what it is now, and so we would just pay off everything as quick as we could, and you know, we'd stay cash poor, but still having to walk a line and maintain that line where you have a balance, you know, of a healthy checking account so that you can finance jobs, because we pay our subs, we pay our vendors, we pay everybody before we get paid from the general contractor. I mean, there's been a lot of times where, you know, Amber and I go without a check for a few months, you know, because we need the money in the business to help float it and that sort of thing, and finance the jobs that we're doing. And I can work on it. I mean, this D6 here I've probably owned 3 years or better. I mean, 3,000 hour machine when I bought it. You know, very, very good shape. You know, it cost me less to get into it. I still get to do the same amount of work as a brand new one. We treat all of our equipment like it provides for our families, and I tell people that it's, you know, this doesn't just provide for me, it provides for your family when they're operating it, so they take care of it and stress that importance. As far as being able, I mean, we've got to be able to work on it, because the dealerships are 2 to 4 weeks backed up on techs getting out here to us, and so we have CAD ET, which helps us tremendously to be able to go in and do various diagnostics. And then I've got a mobile mechanic that I contract with, and he comes out and makes repairs and does those sorts of things. We'll do general maintenance like oil changes and stuff like that, but or if a hose is busted or whatever. But if it's, you know, if it's a booger bear or something like that, then he gets called. You know, we've got to be able to work on our equipment. Some of this brand new stuff, well, one, I couldn't afford it, but two, I mean, they're not making it end user friendly as far as being able to work on it. Just because you have money in the bank doesn't mean you're rich. I mean, you've got to maintain a certain amount in your bank account just to manage, especially if you do it like that. I mean, Most people probably don't do it that way, but I mean, to me, that's just the right way to do it. For me, I'm not saying it's the right way for everybody or whatever, but that's the way I like to do it. People will work for you when you pay them quick.
So that will wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for joining us here in Hutto, Texas, and thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. If you found any of the information in this video useful, do us a favor and hit that like button below. And if you want more videos on construction equipment, work trucks, and pickup trucks, hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you're getting up-to-the-minute alerts whenever we drop a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.